Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will introduce a new setting that hides trust account payment options in the client portal. With this feature, your clients will only be able to see invoices and make payments on the invoice directly. Please note, this only applies to clients who do billing with Cerenade, as well as credit card processing. Let us first look at the client portal and see the button we are referring to. We are logging in as the client. From here, you will see a couple buttons related to billing. The first is Invoices. The second is Deposit Fund. If we select Invoices, these are invoices you created in the case profile of the client. From here, they can click on the $ and proceed to make a payment. The next button is Deposit Fund. This option allows the client to make a payment, and the funds will be directed to the trust account in the client profile. Once the funds are there, they can be applied to numerous cases and invoices. With the update, the Deposit Fund button is removed by default. However, you can opt to bring back in the Client Access tab of the client's profile. Let us review this setting by logging into the Caseworker portal. We will go into a client profile. Once inside the client profile, go into the Client Access tab. Once in there, you will see a checkbox to allow a client to access billing. This in general allows the client to be able to view and pay invoices in the client portal. You will also see a checkbox right below to allow deposit fund to a trust account. As it states, by checking it, it will allow the client to see that deposit fund button in the client portal, which will allow them to enter funds in the trust account. By leaving it unchecked, it will only allow clients to view invoices and make payments directly on the invoice and not see that deposit fund button. Please note that these checkboxes will only appear if you have the credit card processing module and have LawPay or PayPal account linked. Before we end this video, not all users in your account will have the ability to give or take away billing access to the client. In order for a user to have this ability to give or take away access to a client, they must be enabled to do so in the Admin Tools page, specifically their user profile. You can do this by clicking on the settings icon on the top right and proceed to click on Administrative Tools. Once inside the Admin Tools page, go to your users. Proceed to click on the Open button next to the user you wish to give access. Scroll down to the Access Rights section. You will first want to give them access to billing. This will give them access to see invoices and apply payments, as well as be able to give clients access to billing. You will then enable that person to trust accounts to be able to view that setting in the client access, as well as be able to manage trust account transactions in the client profile. Once finished modifying, be sure to click on Save up top. This concludes our video on the trust account setting.
Hit the subscribe button to be notified when new videos come out, and give us a like to let us know you enjoyed this video.
Thank you for watching.